Yo, 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 yo. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Wednesday. Happy CPI day, family. Looks like it's going to be a long trading day. Maybe. We'll see. We definitely... I mean, if you guys were trading, there was a very clean setup. I wasn't trading, so I didn't catch it, but a couple people sent me this chart. So we can just review it at least. And this was pretty much what I was expecting. If you guys actually go back and backtest CPI the last really 2 or 3 months, you'll see the same thing kind of happen where price obviously has a huge run during CPI, and then we correct the entire move and we come get opposing liquidity afterwards. So, you know, looking at ES here, let's see if this is relevant. Let's say you used either the 1 minute chart, 2 minute chart, 3 minute chart, doesn't really matter. 3 minute chart, you have an order block, fair value gap. After we swept buy side liquidity, tapped into this 4 hour and daily fair value gap right here. So pretty strong reaction. This was one of our draws on liquidity on the higher time frame. If you guys look at SPX, you know, kind of what we talked about on yesterday's session, how price was going to take out one of these draws on liquidity and then go get the other one. And this is exactly what it did. And then for NASDAQ, we see this push above, you know, these equal highs right here. And now we're closing back in the range. I am interested to see how this 1 hour candle closes, because if this 1 hour candle closes above here, I don't know. It's not the end of the world, but I ideally would like to see it close below here. But yeah, ES obviously gave a very clean move to the downside already. So hopefully we can get a continuation of that, whether it's on ES or whether it's on NASDAQ. Yeah, we'll see. This high might get taken here on... I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. It didn't give us any sort of reaction off of it. But let's see if that high gets taken here on NASDAQ. And if it does, if that high gets taken and then, you know, we're getting up into this order block on ES and we start to move down, let's get ready to short ES. We've always corrected the move completely and taken opposing liquidity. Yeah, I got my accounts all sorted out. It's crazy. So obviously I tried logging in a couple times on the session yesterday. The moment I ended the Zoom call, it let me log in. I'm not even kidding. And then they sent out an email, Top Step did, and they're just like, hey, if you guys were affected by the outage, reply back to this email. I never replied back to the email, but yeah, that was... So yeah, man, this Top Step trading combine, I'm still like, now I'm down a 0.5% because obviously we took an L Monday, and yesterday we got a full TP1, which would have got me right back at break even again, but wasn't able to take it on this account because we couldn't log in. So I don't know. I'm not trying to like make excuses, but it's just kind of ironic that I've kind of had some bad luck, so to speak, with the combine account thus far. But yeah, hopefully this can give us a tighter stop as well. There we go. Because we'll be able to put our stop above, either above here, or, you know, we can just keep doing what we've been doing with a 4-point stop. But we'll see where it puts us. But yeah, let's wait and see what this next candle brings. Let's see if we get a fair value gap to form right in here, and if so, we can look to enter. Let's see what stop we're looking at. So it'll be up to you. If you guys want to use a little bit bigger of a stop loss, you know, feel free. In my opinion, and this is my opinion, I believe if we're gonna come back up to this high, I think we're gonna be going deeper into here. That's just me personally. So I'm going to just stick with what we've been doing with 4-point stop. We got 13 seconds left of this candle. I'm going to go get ready here, create a new order. Stop loss. Boom. Yeah, if we pull up into here, I'm just going to get short. Oh, man. I might have missed it. Get up there one more time. I need at least one tick above there. But you guys, let me know if you guys caught that entry. It didn't really get into it like I wanted. There we go. So All right, boom. So I'm in. I'm going to bring my stop loss right down to here. I'm only at one contract, so it's a little bit lighter risk than what I have been doing. I've been doing 2 contracts, obviously, but I might see if I can't hold this one, depending on what kind of move we get here. Let's see how quickly price wants to give us some sort of reaction. But yeah, I think we could come all the way down for this low, and obviously the low from pre-CPI. So if I could hold this down to there, that'd be dope. I'm gonna trail my stop loss though. I'm gonna trail my stop loss instead of like closing partials. Really strong signs for sale. Yeah, I think so. Like I said, I don't want to be shut off to getting long if that needs to be the case, but as of right now, there's nothing telling me that I should favor longs over shorts. So again, trading what we see, right? Yep, the hard part's over. Now we wait. Let's go. Give us TP1. Come on. Bro, so close. This is actually 41. My entry's 41, 57, 25. This is one tick. Don't tell me, bro. Okay, good. We didn't really get there, did we? I have that turned off. All right, TP1 hit. Remove risk, partial if you can. There we go. So yeah, if I would have did 2 contracts, I could partial there, or I could have closed fully, but I'm gonna hold it to at least TP. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna trail my stop. Let's see here. Once we get TP2, there we go. TP2 hit. Damn. Where am I at actually? Man, there we go. I'm actually gonna close it fully there, just because that'll put me back at break even on that challenge. I'm just gonna take what I can get, y'all. Don't judge me for it. TP2 hit though. And if it took you a year to get, funded with a prop firm, get your first payout and start getting on that track, or even compounding your personal account, right? And getting your account from to a point where, maybe you're only making a couple $100s in a week, to being able to make, a few $1,000s in a month. I mean, that's pretty badass. If you ask me, like that's really cool. And to me, those stories are way more, hearing people talk about that part of their trading journey is way more inspirational to me than, like, all you ever see is you see these crazy testimonies. Oh, I'm a 6-figure trader. I'm a 7-figure trader. And it's like people, they act like you only get merit in this industry if you're making a crazy amount of money. But most people aren't making a crazy amount of money. But what's crazy? I think if you can make $3,000 to $4,000 to $5,000 a month from trading, that's, bro. Is someone really gonna sit here and say that that's not badass as fuck? That's so dope. Anyway, TB3 hit. Fuck. TP3 hit, and then some. There we go. But yeah, I want to go look at the news, guys. So just hit tight if you want. But I do want to go look. I just want to get a good idea for what we can expect for tomorrow, with both unemployment coming and PPI. May 4th was pretty much no impact though, because it wasn't much of a change. But anyway, yeah, let's go back and look at PPI quick. And my alert just got triggered, so boom, full TP hit. Congrats, y'all, if you held that. Copy image. Let me send this quick. TP4 hit. Yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. We'll we'll leave it at that. One trade and done, easy. And we'll be right back at it tomorrow for PPI. So if you need anything, reach out. Otherwise, y'all have an amazing Wednesday. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.